In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use blueprints here in Arc Raiders. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing that you're going to want to do is open up your stash. If you have a lot of items, blueprints can be easy to miss, so use the actions button on your controller. That's going to be the triangle button, and when you highlight a blueprint, you'll see an option to learn it. Go ahead and select that, and whenever that blueprint is going to be learned, back out of your inventory and head to your workshop. And what you're going to want to do is look for the section labeled at the very bottom for blueprints. This is R on keyboard and mouse. It should be triangle or Y on controller, but open this up and you're going to see all of your blueprints in here. From here, you can view the blueprint that you want to see, and you'll be able to see what crafting station it requires, what components you need, whether you've unlocked the required perks or upgrades. For example, a lot of blueprints do require something like a gunsmith level 3. You'll also need the correct materials before you can craft it as well. But once you've acquired the station unlocked, which of course you can install them right here, and you have all the materials, open up that station. You'll see that blueprint listed there, and then you'll be able to craft that item. That's really all there is to it. Just learn the blueprint, check the requirements, unlock the station, and craft everything once you have everything that you do need. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.